Is this thing on? What's up, my whisk takers? Welcome back to my channel. I realized of the 13 videos I've uploaded, one of them is a small whisk. And I thought, wow, I really dropped the ball on these because I thought I was gonna be making more of these small whisks. You know, these small whisks should not take more than, 5 minutes tops. And so I thought, let's take advantage now since I'm craving chocolate. I don't want to make a big old chocolate cake for myself, although the wife is also craving chocolate, which she never does, so I got to take advantage. I thought, why not make 2 little chocolate cakes in a mug? I know that that's like a thing to do, is to come up with a small little, come up with an ingredient to whip up in a mug, or in my case, I'm going to use the ramekins that I use for the creme brulees. But I thought, let's do that, microwave them, see how they turn out, and see if they hit that sweet tooth right now. So let's jump right to it. Let's start with our dry ingredients: the flour, the cocoa powder, the baking powder, the sugar, the pinch of salt, and incorporate those dry ingredients really well with a spatula. Then we will add our milk and oil and finish mixing till we get a small little bowl of dough. Now we're going to grab our ramekin or mug and put all the goodies right in there and microwave this for about 90 seconds to 2 minutes. It's going to be hot, so be careful. And instead of me using hazelnut spread as the recipe calls for, I used milk chocolate chips and bitter chocolate chunks because I didn't have any hazelnut spread. But this worked really well after I melted that in the microwave and then topped it off with some powdered sugar. And there you have it. Make sure you give it a little time to cool before eating and enjoy. I'll see you next time.